one is so nice, guys. Like, if you don't live in Birmingham, you have to come here.
Welcome to my cruise. Look down here. Oh my God.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Welcome to my cruise. Please enter. And first, I'll show you around my bathroom. Oh, come on, take a look at my lovely shower. It's so clean and pretty. I've got shower gel there. I've got a nice shower. The walls are all shiny and pretty. This is our toilet.
Going to go.
Maybe flush. Nice tissue. More tissue underneath there. And look at my lovely basin. And orange gel there and look. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's so nice. Okay, and out here, look at this. Hair dryer. Hair dryer up here. Here we've got clothes iron. Here we've got our iron board. And
Wait. Go with the paste, man. You forgot that.
And over here is our trusted little wardrobe with our hangers. And an extra.
And it's free towel for us to take back home.
Whoa. And this is, look at.
This is the mirrors.
Look at me, my small self. I'm not so big anymore.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I can't believe it.
What's next?
Is that really me? Okay, over here, we've got this table here where you can stock things, whatever. This is our little luggage because someone didn't want to bring anything, so I have to just take one. Our little table and our comfy seat.
Take a little spin then.
Wait, we're harassing the tourist place. Love. And then, look at this. Our buttons and our plugs right here. This is so essential. You can charge your mobile, charge your laptop just like so. Should I test this? Wow. Wow, you're reading light. Wow. Look at that. Over here. For all the tea lovers. Milk. Tetley. Sugar for the sweeteners, sugars, white sugar, brown sugar, milk, no, Ness and more Ness. Look, cups, spoon, our little kettle. More plugs. Look at our flat screen. Look at our flat screen over here. Flat screen telly. Can I rate it? I think you should go on. Yeah, and should I dive in? Oh, we've got our telephone over there. You're not going to see us. Should I dive in? Woo! And look at what? Oh my God, this is oh.
And that is Birmingham, outside Birmingham.
And the smell of this place.
In here smells so clean.
It's so nice.
I'm gonna take you to the reception and show you guys. The reception is beautiful.
The smell is so
this
nice.
hotel is amazing and I would recommend it. The reception is on the second floor or the first floor. So when you come into the hotel, it's empty. Like it's an empty auditorium looking kind of place, right? And then you go to ground one for reception, and then they sign you in whatever. Ground one is so nice, guys. Like, if you don't live in Birmingham, you have to come here. Even if you don't live in Birmingham, you still have to come here. It's so nice. It's really nice. Like, really nice. It's nice. But yeah, I'll check back with you. Look at that dirty spot. Oh, I will check back with you soon. Mi Julz, have a wonderful night. You see this card? Yeah, the man never told me, so you have to press here so like this, and then go to ground one for it to move. See, so those first thing here, I was pressing it. I'm thinking, why is it not moving? So I'm thinking, alright, cool, press here. If I didn't use my common sense, Mi Julz, my common sense, I wouldn't have moved all now. That's why customer service is so important, because he should have done told us you have to do that in order for the lift to move. That up there, that's reception. It's
but not this side. Just once in April when we came to our wedding. Oh my Jesus! When I look down here, oh my God!
If you
What's
come here,
that?
there's a better view.
Try don't lose no break in there if you come up this hill. Cause I'm sorry.
That's right there. I slipped. Because when you pass down there when new house is easy, it just goes down onto the main road. At school eating, I just lose off all that.
You were just eating it.
Yeah?
Oh my God!
It's like, for me, look, if you look down there.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Jesus!
Okay, 3, wait. You gotta look 3 ways. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay, you can put it down now. You wanna hold it?
Wow. So, what you gonna do in uni?
I don't really know yet because I've got different ideas. Like a writer because I'm really good at writing stories. Art because I'm really
is
good
it?
at painting and drawing.
So why don't you start writing a book?
I've written my own story. But
Yeah, but I mean, put it
I
out there.
wanna do so
I've
much
got a
things.
book out.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I've
mean,
got so
you
many-
can write it and put it on Amazon to sell.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I've got my book on
For my
Amazon.
age?
Yeah, it doesn't matter about your age. If you can be right there, you can let your mom do it or your dad. Put it on Amazon for you. Yeah.
And like, the
Just put
reason why I like
that is written
science
by you.
because we do a lot of experiments and observations.
Okay. Oh.
Because most of my certificates are for either maths or science.
So, with maths and
Oh my
science,
good
girl,
behavior.
maths and science you're gone through. You're gone through, so you can be like a pharmacist, a doctor, a scientist.
I don't know what I want to be because I want to be like a vet because I like animals. A
My
writer,
daughter used to
like-
say it when she was younger. Oh, I'm gonna be a vet. I'm gonna be a vet that's gone through the window. I mean, when you're still young, you can't decide really, but
Because mom said I need to make up my mind because I have about like 26 choices.
yeah, but you know what happened? Time flies so fast that you kind of need to, not rush, but you kind of need to have an idea.
Listen, food is at what time? At what time? Listen, breakfast was from 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, guys, yeah? And mum woke up before me. And you know how long this woman was in the mirror doing her fandandos? So now we might even miss breakfast.
No, but look at my makeup, it's not even half started. I'm just going to eat like this. I'm going to come back and call you look good. And you got so late. What's wrong?
She has to learn how to work with timing. You have to be quick and fast.
I know they don't want to go.
You see, that's spiteful. We have half an hour to check out. We need to eat, get dressed, and pack up. This should be fun. It's at level 7.